All right, man. I'm in some trouble and I can use your help. So let me tell you what's going on. I have a storage unit back in North Carolina. When I sold my house, I placed everything I had in this storage unit. And we've been paying the bill up to this point, but I can't afford to pay this bill. I'm not working right now, and not by choice. And they gave me a couple days to pay the bills so that I don't lose all my stuff. It's a very scary thought to think that you lose everything you ever owned. But so for the next couple of days, I'm going to be delivering food, Uber Eats, DoorDash, trying to do everything I can to come up with the money so that I don't lose my stuff. So here's how you can help me. I'm going to be making content during that time. This is what I like to do. When you see me pop up on your feed or you see me on your homepage, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, engage with me, show some positive vibes. Like DoorDashing and delivering food is exhausting when you do it for a few hours. So show some words of encouragement, some motivation to help keep me going in those late hours. So that's how you can support me, man. I'm not asking for money. Like I'm okay with hustling to get what I need, but it's show some love by helping me grow this